This is the Ruger Alaskan 454 casull, the fire-breathing dragon. This is a 300 grain XTP hand load at max pressure. We're going to shoot it today and see what it does. All right, Alex, grab it and go. The fire-breathing dragon. And we're shooting at that steel white target way down in the woods. That's 25 yards. You ready?
Yeah.
All right, here we go.
Woo!
You awake now?
Yeah. All right, so he couldn't let me show him up. Now he has to shoot some.
Yeah.
So we're gonna let him have some fun.
I'm going to shoot 6 of them. So we'll see what kind of fire we can get, what kind of recoil we can get. I've already shot almost a box of 50 of these today. I don't know why I have, yeah, I'm dropping rounds, see? My hands hurt from all this shooting. All right. You ready, Alex?
Yep.
Here we go. Pulled one low. Those are warm. That was fun. I bet that came out good on video. Anyway, Ruger Alaskan, that's a blast, literally. All right, one more person wants to shoot it. She's gonna load around and shoot. You ready?
I'm ready.
All right. Woo! Was that fun?
Very fun.
So after one, it was decided she wanted to shoot 5 more. Anything you want to say?
All right. Let's hope it doesn't fly out of my hand.
It is a 6 shot, but we had 10 rounds left. She wanted to shoot 5 of them, so here we go.
Got a very hairy trigger.
Yes, it's a good trigger in single action. Oh, good job not flinching. All right. Woohoo! Was that fun?
Muy bien.
All right, not to be outdone by Mom. We got to shoot a few downrange and see what we can do here. So, you got 5?
Yep.
Any last words?
This is Mom's fault if I get hit in the face.
All right. Go. One more. And woohoo! Fun?
Yeah, pretty fun.